In the name of Allah, today we are going to talk about ecological relationships. As an introduction, we can initiate with the definition. An ecological community consists of all the populations of all the different species that live together in a particular area. And we know when organisms live together in an ecological community, they might have interactions between each other. They might interact constantly. And interactions between different species in a community is being called as interspecific interaction. The word inter means between here. When different types of interspecific interactions occurs, they might have different effects on the two participants as well, which may be positive, negative, or neutral. About the types, we can say that there are mainly three types of relationships between individual organisms within a community. It can be symbiotic relationship, which is when one or more organisms live in a close contact or live with each other. There are three subtypes of symbiotic relationships that we are going to talk about it. The second type of relationship is prey-predator, in which one organism consumes the second one. There are only one subtype of it. And the third type of relationship is competition, in which organisms compete for an important resource, such as food, shelter, or mate. There are two subtypes for the competition or competitive relationship that we are going to discuss about each of them specifically. About the symbiotic relationship, we can say that when one or more organisms live in a close contact or live with each other in the environment, there are three types of it. The first one is commensalism. In commensalism, as you can see in the picture, one partner benefits without significantly affecting the other one. The second type of symbiotic relationship is mutualism, as you can see in the picture, in which both organisms benefit from each other. The third type of symbiotic relationship is parasitism, in which one organism, which is the parasite, harms the host. There are two types of parasites or two types of parasitism. Ectoparasites, the parasites which is the outside of the body of the host, and the endoparasite, the kind of parasites that are inside the body of the host. The next type of relationship is predator-prey, in which one organism consumes the second one, as you can see in the picture. The third type of relationship is competitive relationship, in which we say that organisms are competing for sources such as food, shelter, or for mate. And this might have negative effect on each other, and this might be the actual fight between living organisms. There are two types of competitive relationship. The first one is intraspecific, in which two organisms from the same species compete, and this competition would be over food, water, light, safe sites, or mates. And the important thing about the competitive relationship, the intraspecific competitive relationship, is that it is an important factor limiting the population size of many species. The second type of competitive relationship is interspecific, in which two or more species are competing. And in this type of competition, we can say that this type of competition may limit the density of the competing species. That was all about ecological relationships. Thanks for watching.